The homeless are packing New York City subways again, raising health concerns. And now, a chorus of demands. Mayor de Blasio do something about it. CBS 2 political reporter Marcia Kramer has this story.
Even in normal times, these pictures of the homeless sleeping in car after car on the subway are a cause for concern. But these are not normal times, and Michael Fisher, president of the Central Park South Civic Association, is sounding the alarm. He's worried that the homeless, who have little access to soap and sanitizers, could spread the disease.
It's a capital D. It's a disaster. I mean, the city knew about this for 2 months. They knew that we had a terrible virus that was hitting the city, hitting the world, and they didn't do a thing about it.
He says if a homeless person on the subway is sick,
they probably have spread it a lot amongst themselves. And, you were on the subway. They probably have spread it amongst a lot of people who have ridden the subways.
Council Speaker Corey Johnson says he's worried about the number of homeless on the subways, and he says the mayor should put the street homeless in empty hotels.
The city should be getting these hotels, putting homeless New Yorkers in these hotels, isolating them, making sure they're practicing social distancing. We need people off the subways. The only people who should be on the subway right now are the essential workers.
And while city officials are being guarded about using hotels for the homeless, officials tell CBS 2 that this financial district hotel is being used to isolate several dozen homeless New Yorkers with coronavirus symptoms. Officials say they have 500 isolation units available at 4 facilities. MTA Director of Safety Patrick Warren says even during this pandemic, the agency is trying to get the homeless off the trains.
5% of the homeless that we reach out to every day, they are going to they accept services, which is really pretty extraordinary. The problem is that they go to a shelter and they stay there for a night, or they stay there for two nights, or maybe even 3 nights. But the next thing you know, they're right back out in the subway system.
The Department of Homeless Services says its outreach workers have had nearly 9,000 contacts with street homeless individuals to see if they're sick or need help. I'm Marcia Kramer, CBS 2 News.